Hello, friends. Let's break down the action of doing something to its fundamental core constituents. Doing anything starts off by having the thought. The thought comes into your mind. You say, maybe I should do this in your head. And then that thought creates an avalanche of other thoughts. And maybe, all of these other, subsequent thoughts just truncate. But some of them might continue on and get stronger and stronger. And some of these processes are happening subconsciously. Subconscious thoughts. But at some point, the thought becomes big enough for you to actually notice it. And then you have this assignment of priorities that happens in your brain. Let's say right now, you're sitting on your phone, you're watching a video. While you're watching this video and consuming information with your eyes, your brain is thinking about other things at the same time as it's processing audio-visual signals. At every moment, you're making a decision to either continue to watch, to pay attention, or to shift your attention to something else that you deem more important. At every moment. And your thoughts are on this kind of like flywheel that's changing at every moment. You always have like an assortment of ideas to pick at any given instant of time. As an idea becomes more and more important for you, let's say you need to clean your room. The longer you go without cleaning your room, hopefully the thought of going and cleaning it becomes more and more important, where you say, okay, this is getting gross, I need to go and clean it. So transitioning from you doing something like watching a video to you being in the middle of the act of cleaning your room, this transition is the most difficult part. And understand that, because this is the most important thing to address. Procrastination doesn't occur as you're doing the thing by definition, right? Once you are in the act, the barrier, the inertia that is keeping you from starting is broken. Okay, so how do we address procrastination now that we understand that it just lies in the transition from one physical state to the other physical state? The state of sitting down and watching this video to the state of you being in the middle of cleaning your room. What is the easiest way to get from one to the other? It's by ordering the steps from not easiest to hardest, but easiest to do first. And then, you just keep going down the list. Like, what is the easiest thing you could do? And then once that's done, the easiest thing again. And you keep going. And then it's just about okay, I've listed out the easiest thing to do, and then you just do it. It sounds like I'm not even saying anything, right? It sounds like I'm just saying how to beat procrastination. You just you just do it. But I swear it makes sense, right? You're in your bed watching the video, you tell yourself, okay, I want to start cleaning my room. What is the easiest thing you could do? The easiest thing you could do is stand up, right? Standing up has nothing to do with cleaning your room, but in a sense, it does. Standing up is very easy. Okay, now that you're standing up, now what? I'm not going to solve this problem for you, but you understand what I mean, right? You slowly break the transition, which is the most difficult part, into many easy things, right? You take the barrier from being this tall to being very short, but a little bit wider, right? You break it up into more steps that are all easy to do, and the mental barrier gets shorter and easier to traverse.